Next question.
What are the ingredients for a gallbladder flush?
The gallbladder flush, you have the pen and paper, don't forget. The gallbladder flush should be done every 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks. Do a gallbladder flush and then take a 3-day and just use a lot of herbs to clean your system out and keep the blood well. And vegetable juices and water and soups if you can. 1 glass of grapefruit juice. 1 glass of grapefruit juice, because you always say I'm talking too fast, I'm talking slow, right, Christian? 1 glass of grapefruit juice, a 1/4 cup of orange juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and a 1/4 cup of castor oil. Do not get the black castor oil. You're going to mix them all together, and at 9 p.m., you are going to take a 1/4 cup of that mixture. At 9:15 p.m., you're going to take another 1/4 cup of the mixture. At 9:30 p.m., you're going to take another 1/4 cup. At 9:45, another 1/4 cup. At 10 p.m., a 1/4 cup. And the last 1/4 cup should be taken at 10:15 p.m. And when you finish doing that, you should go and lay down on your right side, because your gallbladder is right under your breastbone, tucked under the left lobe of your liver. And in the morning, when you get up, 4 o'clock, you're going to see how much waste coming out of the sewage system. Oils and fats and green stuff come out because your liver is being cleansed. And after you do that, you want you to rest him. Don't work him for 3 days. So the next 3 days you won't be going to the bathroom. Why? Because you'll be resting the earth. And once he is resting, remember, he is the sewage system. So once he is resting, and he is one of the organs that clean your blood. Once he is rested, and he don't have no contamination of foods coming in and out from the digestive system, he will in turn keep your bloodstream clean. And once he keeps your bloodstream clean, he will send signals to your liver, and your liver, which also cleans your blood, will keep the tissues and the cells healthy now, because you're feeding your liver juices that have all the nutrients to feed your cells. And then your liver will take care of your gallbladder. And then in turn, your gallbladder will take care of the kidney, which is another organ that cleans your blood. And when you're resting him now, and you're resting him over here, stomach, you are going to see that diseases start disappearing. Your pressure starts to drop. Your sugar levels start dropping. Why? Because you are balancing back the earth and resting it. And that's the key to good health.